I'm back. So I wanted to show you guys more of the stuff I have that I still need to declutter. So I was going to show you this other, well, okay, so let me show you this. So this right here, I emptied all of it out. So there was clothes all along there. All of right here, I had clothing too, just like stacked up. So I took that out, and just for now, I left the shoes there because that's another project. And this stuff I just need to go through because it's just miscellaneous or empty bags. So that's what I need to do with that. So the stuff that I took off from that closet area is right here. So that's all of it. Okay. So yeah. And then, like I showed you before, these are already set to the side. Okay. This is just miscellaneous stuff. And I think I have some clothing in there. Not a whole lot. I think it's just a couple of jackets, but that's it. There's not too much clothing, but I gotta take that out too. But I wanted to show you guys also more. Okay. This is ridiculous. So let's go down here. So down here, these are bags that I already had kind of worked on way before. And I never like really took them to get donated, but I'm gonna want to go through them again before I really make the commitment. So these are just some bags that either have purses or shoes or clothing in there. So I need to go through all of that. So I'm gonna take that out. I know that the Marie Kondo method is to put everything out, but to be honest with you, I just can't fit everything on top of that bed. There's just no way. So I thought if I do it this way, that I'm doing stack by stack, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do right now is put some of the things in a bag, in bags already, and then work on this pile back here, and then put that stuff in the bags, designated bags, and yeah, and then get going. So catching my breath because I'm so tired. I'm so pooped. But I wanted to, you know, after I'm done with this whole process of doing things, I posted on my Instagram, but I wanted to kind of say that it's an easy process, but also very how do I say, very eye-opening. So this is something that needed to be done. I have not decluttered any of my clothing in almost 10 years, so that's a lot. So this has been an accumulation of just a lot of years. That's it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. stack of clothing I needed to go through. I need to. Alright, so let me show you this. So now, these are the hangers that are left. Okay, I had clothing on all these hangers, except for maybe like this chunk of it. I didn't have any clothing on them, but all of these had clothing. Okay, so I'm done. But now I feel like there's the stacks that the stuff that I kept, I'm still a little questionable about it, but I kept it because at that moment I did feel like, okay, this could stay for me because this is my mature side, and I got rid of a lot of, I don't know, colorful graphic tees that I mean, come on, I need to dress my age, and I don't think I have found that style, and I think now I'm evolving. So, not that I'm going to buy any new clothes, but I want to really use the clothes that I have bought. Now, I wanted to also mention that I have not decluttered completely like this in over 10 years. It's been many, many years since I actually did a complete declutter of clothing. So, yeah. Okay. So this is the stuff I've kept, and I have not organized it because that's going to be on another video of how I went ahead and went about organizing it. But, so this is the stuff I've kept. I hope I got all the clothes out. I did. Okay. So this is one of the stacks I've kept. I kept like one like dress short with shorts. And then these are pretty much all like cardigans, jackets. That's what they're gonna stay on hangers. So that's the stack I'm questioning what should I keep and what I shouldn't. I just want to keep the stuff that is gonna be really used and utilized, not just to sit there. Alright, and this is my stack of like short sleeves and blouses. Look, there's like not that much left. This is what the stack is. This stack is my like long sleeves for the cold weather, or thinner material long sleeves. These are my like bottoms, like my shorts, my PJs, that kind of stuff. Those are my bottoms, and these are like bralettes and my bathing suits and that stuff. So that's that. And then I have to show you guys the rest of the stuff I have bagged already. And we're gonna go down here and show you. So the total number of clothing bags is right now, this is it. We're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags. 8 bags of clothing. I cried. I literally cried of frustration and being disappointed, and I don't know. And I know that's not the feeling I'm supposed to feel. I don't even know what I'm supposed to feel, to be honest with you. I don't know. But right now I'm feeling more relieved. That was before. Now I'm feeling more relieved that I did this, and I'm feeling lighter. So once I put everything away, I think I'm going to be a lot calmer. But I feel this anxiety right now because it's not just the clothing I need to go through. It's the shoes I need to go through, the accessory stuff, the purses, and all the stuff that I have in my office. And I just feel like it's endless and I will never get done. And that's exactly what I'm feeling right now, because this is just the beginning. And I'm just I am feeling overwhelmed that when is this going to be done? And am I making the right decision about throwing out some stuff? Because I just don't want to keep wasting money. So if you decide to do this, just remember, this is probably the emotions you're going to go through, and it's okay. And, you know, I hope by the end of this month I will be at